that movie, but the beginning was kind of slow.
Sonic, you just don't understand how movies and TV shows work. They always have a little filler material before someone bursts in to get the real story started. Guys, check out my new invention, a super antenna. It's so strong that when you hook it up to a TV, it picks up broadcasts from the past.
This hour of radio is sure to get your toes a-tapping. Brought to you by lead-based paint and asbestos. The perfect combination for your baby's nursery.
Can it play music from our childhood? It will in about 80 years.
Great job, Tails.
I think it's a useful invention.
Thanks, Knuckles.
It makes a great back scratcher.
Not bad, Knuckles.
Looks like there's another inventor in town.
Hey, fellow inventor.
Knuckles, I'm kind of busy right now.
See that light switch over there? Sure is far away, right?
Uh-huh.
There's got to be a better way. Now there is, with Remote 2000. Pretty sweet, huh?
It sure is something.
Yeah, well, now that I'm a bona fide inventor, I figured we could collaborate. You can learn from me, and who knows? I might even learn something from you.
I doubt it. Inventing takes dedication, tenacity, stick-to-itiveness, perseverance, a good thesaurus, and...
What's that?
Oh, that's my ice water. It homes in on insects and...
Neat. Can I invent that?
What? No, I already invented it. You're looking right at it.
Gotcha. Can I invent this?
That's a turkey sandwich.
Interesting. I know. I could invent a device to cut things. The Scissors 2000. Ooh, or how about a machine to brown bread? The Toaster 2000. All day. A little thing I invented called Friendship 2000.
He tried to invent a turkey sandwich? That was one of his better ideas. How do I tell him he's not an inventor without hurting his feelings?
Don't worry, he'll get over this inventor phase before you know it.
Tails, you gotta see this. Oh, sorry guys. Inventor stuff? You wouldn't understand.
You were saying?
Check it out. Robot Battle Royale. It's an anything-goes tournament for inventors to test their mettle with metal-on-metal action. You in?
I don't know, Knuckles. I'm not sure that's the best use of my time.
Oh, I get it. You're chicken.
Oh, no, he didn't. I'm not chicken. I just don't have anything to prove.
Oh, that's all right, Tails. It's gotta be tough knowing there's a new hotshot inventor in town, and you're just yesterday's news.
Oh! Knuckles, I appreciate your enthusiasm, but I'm really not interested.
Not interested in losing to me? Boom!
Shots fired! Thanks, son! That's it! Knuckles, you're not an inventor! You just add the number 2000 to the end of things that already exist! If you want me to embarrass you in front of everybody at this competition, then fine. I accept your challenge. Yeah!
Let me ask you guys a question. Are you tired of eating turkey and bread in separate bites? Nice! Impressive! They can't all be winners. Oh, that's quite the robot you got there, Tails.
Thanks. Hypnobot's able to take control of any opposing robots within 100 feet, Mr. Mayor.
Oh, please. Mr. Mayor is my father. You can just call me Mayor. A robot brawl! Finally, some culture in this town.
Eggman!
Oh, please. Eggman is my father. You can just call me Dr. Eggman. Time to get started. I'm going to need the override codes for both of your robots. Oh, that wasn't the key to the lockbox. Tonight, you'll see the finest, most technically advanced modern marvels ever to grace our fair town. And they're gonna smash each other to bits. Now, without any further ado, let's get ready to watch what's going to happen. Prepare to get fries with that.
fries with that?
Oh, it's so cute!
Come on, Vacuum Fan 2000. Show 'em what you're made of. That's not what I meant. This is it, the final battle.
Come on! No, not now!
You built that robot to take control of other robots, but now your robot-controlling robot is being controlled.
How do you get the override codes?
Made by Eggman Industries. Well, that was underwhelming. But in the grand scheme of evil Eggman plans, I think we got out of this one pretty unscathed. Oh, by the way, Tails, now that I've taken control of your robot-controlling robot, I'm going to your workshop to take control of all your other robots.
I don't really have robots. I have inventions.
I know that, but it sounds better my way. We gotta go after him. Has anyone seen the key to the Maya cycle?
We've got to get that Hypnobot away from Eggman. Tails, I don't know, invent something.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Inventors stick together. Oh, note to self, Inventor Glue 2000. Maybe we could make a...
No.
Or try to build a...
No! Please, let me think. I'm the inventor here.
Maybe you are, but at least I didn't program any override codes into my Vacuum Fan 2000. And believe you me, I was tempted, but I didn't know how.
That's it! Knuckles, you're a genius!
Yes, I are.
Don't you see?
I'm a genius, not a visionary.
Your invention doesn't have robot AI. It's too stupid to be affected by Hypnobot.
Stupid or murder?
Go get your robot. We have work to do.
Not that I don't understand, but could you explain the plan one more time? Because I don't understand.
Since Vacuum Fan 2000 can't be controlled remotely, it's the only robot that can get me close enough to regain control of Hypnobot.
My baby's all grown up. What's that? Nurple's robot is joining my army. Welcome, welcome.
I got this.
It's my first robot. Oh, you sentimental son of a gun. I remember my first robot. His name was Zippy, and I don't have time for this. I'm finally defeating Sonic, and nothing is gonna stop me. Hey, you can't do that. I already declared victory.
Hypnobot, make 'em dance.
I can't watch this anymore.
Great job, Tails. We couldn't have done it without you.
Thanks. But I couldn't have done it without Knuckles. Good work, fellow inventor. So what are you going to invent next?
I'm giving up inventing. It's time for a new hobby. Perhaps extreme couponing. Ooh, or clog dancing. Or maybe inventing.
Look who came back. Ooh, Whoopie Whoopie.
You know, Tails, with this Hypnobot of yours, Eggman's robots will never be a problem.
Puppy.